Hey guys, my name's Christy. I'm the CEO and founder of DaSilva Life and a HoneyBook Pro. Obviously, I love HoneyBook. So in this video, I'm gonna go through 3 HoneyBook features you didn't know could help your business grow. Now, all of these features combined of HoneyBook are gonna really help you skyrocket your business, elevate your client experience, streamline your leads and booking process. But the features that I'm gonna talk about today are ones that you may not realize have such a big impact on your business and the way that your leads view your professionalism, your client experience, and how you are going to nurture them really well. So with that, let's go ahead and dive into the meat of this video and these amazing HoneyBook features. So let's talk about 3 things and features that HoneyBook has that are going to help you grow your business. The first thing is Smart Files. We have a whole entire playlist on Smart Files where we go individually into each type of Smart File, how to set them up. So make sure you're subscribed to our channel and you check out that playlist if you want all the granular details of Smart Files. But what even is a Smart File? So this is a question that we get often when we're telling people about Smart Files. They're like, what exactly is it? Basically, a Smart File is anything that you want it to be. It's basically a file. It could be a read-only brochure. It could be a select services brochure. It could be a contract, an invoice, a proposal, which is a contract, an invoice. It could be a questionnaire, a scheduler, literally whatever you want it to be. And so you can see when you're in the template gallery and you click create new in Smart Files, you could do contract, invoice, proposal, service guide, questionnaire, scheduler, or just start with custom. So I'll show you a couple different examples and then I'll show you inside the template library if you want to get started. So here you can see an example of a proposal Smart File. Here a proposal is going to be a contract and an invoice, right? So we have the contract here. Move on to the next page. You have the invoice, payment plan, and then the payment page. And then you can also have a thank you page. So you can see here, you can brand this with your branding photos, colors, logos, and make this a really beautifully branded experience for your client while also having everything in one place. So how is that going to help you grow your business? Not only by having that branded cohesiveness, but also allowing it for your client's decision to be as easy as possible to move forward because they have everything that they need. Let's go back and show you a couple different examples. Say you're a photographer. You could have your style guides in here, right? And this can automatically send when they book their session or X amount of days or weeks before their session. And what this is doing, right, is when you think of growing your business, it's not just about getting new business in, it's about treating your current clients so well that not only they return to you, but also they tell everyone about you, right? So when you really nurture your clients well, you are ultimately helping your business grow in the long run. So you could see that's an example of a style guide. And then let's do one more example of wedding details questionnaire. Here you can see this is details questionnaire where you can have any information here and build out questionnaires, right? So you can see you can add pages, start from blank and add things like text, question, images. You can add videos. We actually have videos on some of our Smart Files to take it to the next level. So that is the first thing that's going to help you grow your business is Smart Files. And if you're just getting started and you're like, I have no idea where to start and you need inspiration, if you're like me, I love templates and love working from something that's already has the base structure and then I just fill in the details and make it my own. So they actually have an entire template gallery on HoneyBook where you can actually import these templates, like look how cute these are, and then just add your branding, your photos, your information, and you can see what other people have gone and done before you and take this and make it your own. So Number 1, Smart Files. Okay, feature number 2 that is so underrated and not talked about enough is the HoneyBook Scheduler. So in Tools Scheduler, you can create any scheduler that you want. You can see all the different types that we have in here, right? HoneyBook kickoff call, check-in call, Zoom consultation, phone consultation. And you can come in here and set the parameters for this meeting, right? Like our Zoom consultation calls are free sessions. They're 20 minutes. And we have our availability as Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 1 to 5. And we also have 5-minute buffers. So when you set your availability and then you can link your Google Calendar as well, all I have to do when wanting to coordinate a call with a lead or client is send them this link, and it syncs everything together, and you never again have to say, hey, does this time and this day work, and coordinate back and forth. You can just send them this link. It will allow them to see your availability, choose a date, put in their information, schedule, and then it goes on your calendar and it goes on theirs and then sends them reminders. Now, why is this going to help you grow your business? Not only is it going to give you your time back, but it is also going to give so much less barrier to entry for your clients, where they will be able to just be like, okay, great, let me pick the time, do it, boom, 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 instead of thinking, oh, when do I have time? Okay, I have this day free, this time, etc. And all the back and forth is going to make you both tired and may make them abort mission. So even though it is not talked about enough, the HoneyBook Scheduler is the bomb.com. So many people are also like, well, I have Calendly or Acuity. Can I get rid of those? 99% of the time, the answer is yes. The HoneyBook Scheduler makes up for those. It's the same thing and it's included in your subscription, but it really depends on what exact features you're using it for. Like, for example, you can't currently embed a scheduler on a landing page or your website. So there are certain things that it can't do yet. Fingers crossed in the future, it'll have some more amazing features, and I know it will. But that is the second feature that I wanted to go through, the scheduler. Third feature is the big one, automations. So if we go into tools and automations, you can see all the automations that we have going on in our business. And I actually created a whole entire video on our channel about our lead follow-up process, where I go through this whole automation and what ours actually looks like. So if you want more insight into that, we also have other automation videos on our channel. You can get more granular details, but why are automations so powerful? Not only are they getting the information your client needs to them right away, right? So when a lead inquires, you can send them a service brochure, send them the link to book a call with you, right? That immediate satisfaction, but also it's going to nurture your clients really well. So as soon as they become your client, once they sign their contract or pay their deposit, you can send their welcome guide, their onboarding information, and really nurture them so well, creating those loyal clients and fans like we talked about, who will not only rave about you and come back for more, but will tell all their friends. So again, automations, there's so much to get into here, but we have other videos going through them granularly. You can see this is an inquiry automation that will send information to the client and have follow-up emails for us to make sure we're nurturing our leads, not letting them slip through the cracks, aka cha-ching, more sales. And then you could see the booking and onboarding automation we have, like following up with the proposal and then sending their welcome email, getting the whole project rolling. So those are the 3 HoneyBook features that I wanted to showcase in this video that really can help your business grow.
I hope that was helpful for you in realizing that these features are actually going to be super helpful in impressing your clients, booking your clients, saving you time, your clients time. Honestly, 10 out of 10 recommend, implement immediately. So if you want to know about all the HoneyBook features and how they can really impact your business and everything that you need to to set up your HoneyBook from scratch, I'm gonna link our HoneyBook course in the description below. There's also the sales page that goes through every single thing that's included, but it's basically 50 plus videos, plug and play templates, community access where you get support to me and my team and monthly live calls, everything you need to DIY your HoneyBook setup, do it right from the start, and save you as much time as possible. Win-win, if you ask me. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. There's a lot more where that came from and a ton of HoneyBook content coming your way. So thank you so much for supporting this channel. If you like this video, again, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions about this video, other HoneyBook features, other videos you want to see us do, please make sure to drop a comment below and let us know. We are here to serve you with the content on this channel, so we want to know what you want to know more about. So with that, again, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.